Affiliate Spy by Jason Hack.
Hi guys, Jason here. A short review about Traffic Nemesis. I'm gonna take you inside of Traffic Nemesis, and the owner is gonna explain what Traffic Nemesis is and what it does. If you decide to buy, don't forget to check out my bonuses below. And I wish you all the best. Jason out.
This is Traffic Nemesis, guys, okay? This is exactly what it looks like. I'm going to show you what you get, okay? When we think of free traffic, the biggest thing most people think of is SEO, okay? I want you to stop thinking about SEO. In nowadays, it's absolutely pants, okay? It isn't... takes too long, takes too much money. And team, remember, if someone posts a link, don't post your link, guys. I don't want to see any links. I'm seeing loads come up. It's absolutely what I'm going to show you is absolutely the best way to get started with free traffic, and you're going to be absolutely amazed by what's inside. Okay, absolutely amazed by what's inside of the product. Now, as you can see, I'm going to open up all the sections. Okay, most people charge thousands of dollars for this. Okay, and that's just the profile marketing. Okay, one second. So you can see here we've got tons and tons and tons of content. Okay, this is everything from the main things that matter, that is your Facebook timeline. Okay, Facebook is the best place to get organic traffic because yeah, man, if you can delete all the links, please, mate. You can see loads of links coming through. Delete all those links, any links that come through. Don't post your links, please, guys. It's absolutely the best place to start. It's where you can build that know, like, and trust. And there's people online selling this type of training for thousands. Okay, just what you see here in this first section is worth thousands, and some people do charge you that for this type of training. But we've added more value. Okay, we've added more value to what is here. We've added not just profile training. You can see that inside we've also added groups. You can see what's happened to my groups. Okay, you can see exactly what's happened to my groups. I make a post and I get nearly 450 comments. We've got that trained in here as well. We've got stories as well. Some of my stories had 200-300 views. Okay, and that's what we got in here as well. So there's absolutely immense value inside here, guys. Through stories, groups, and your Facebook timeline, it's absolutely one of the best places to sell from. And we've also got how to convert people in Messenger. So we've got the complete training you'll ever need for free organic traffic. Okay, and you can see the results of exactly what I'm getting from my timeline, from my group. We're going to show you how to do that inside Traffic Nemesis. It's absolutely insane. Okay, so I'm really excited to take you through this. Now,